Ta-da! Welcome back to 17,000 Flavors of
Indonesia.
Alright then, so we're gonna do our second dish today.
Right.
So Lenny is gonna do this,
Take
right?
the lead.
So it's gonna be a little bit kick, spicy, because we're gonna use the red seasoning. Alright then, Lenny, we're gonna mix this with this here, and then put some salt and oil. That's it.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put in the pan.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got
it?
Got it.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
So I'm just.
Chicken, yeah, put it there.
Okay. This feels
have
just a
any
little too
pan
easy
that
already.
Yeah. Just like a sheet.
That's
Oh, you want to
Taste
try
it.
first? Oh, taste it first then. Let's
That's
try.
what you do when you cook, you taste.
You taste that. It's not really spicy
Really?
because. Okay.
Just lick it.
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Not that spicy, right?
It climbs
You
a
and
little
I are
bit.
not the same.
Oh yeah.
No, it's really good. It's just
But it's spicy.
it's spicy, yeah.
Like spicy?
Not like spicy, but it hits.
Yeah. You just
Okay.
need that hit.
Yeah. It's like it's kind of like a slap in the face, but not too bad.
She thinks
This is spicy. This is tolerable.
Oh, okay, then that's fine then.
This is good.
Okay, so
You guys might not like it.
because
I will.
then it's too spicy or maybe it's spicy, just put 2 spoons perhaps.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do 2 spoons.
2 spoons. Got it.
Yeah. 1.
How bad could this be?
Okay, that's it. And then we're gonna mix with the white seasoning then. So we are not gonna put all of the red seasoning. We're gonna put the white seasoning. Put 2 spoons of that.
I'll use my hands. It's
Oh,
more fun
do
that way.
it.
All right.
See how high I can crank this up on my arm. It's certainly a weird sensation, but the color is really nice. Like it just looks good.
Okay, you're gonna put oil a little bit. Let me do that.
Yeah. My hands are a little
Just a little bit.
tied.
Okay.
That's what makes it fun. You don't have to measure. You just have to feel it out.
So we're gonna put some salt a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna put it.
He said they were gonna get in the way,
Okay.
one way or another.
Chicken. Yeah, you can use kosher
Because we don't
salt.
produce these with very much salt at all.
Yes.
We leave that up to the customer.
Yeah, you can use salt. You can use what is that? The one that we use, umami from Trader Joe.
Ooh.
That's good. This time chef.
Same.
Okay. Oh, so okay.
Just right on.
Yeah, cook with love. You're gonna make something good.
That's a good
Yeah.
philosophy.
How long do you think we can cook this?
We can check it at probably 10 or 15.
10 or 15. Okay.
And then-
You wanna set up the time?
Yeah.
Put your.
I'm gonna be safe.
Closer. Be careful. Okay, so we're gonna
Pretty
move
good.
it here. Hold a second. Put it here.
This looks really good.
Sounds good.
So what we're gonna name this chicken then?
Oh yeah, we need a name for this one. What was the other one?
Chicken beaver dam.
Okay, now we need a new name.
Help from the audience? Sure. Yeah.
Why not?
Eureka chicken.
Huh?
Eureka chicken.
Eureka chicken.
Eureka
Okay.
chicken. I like that.
All right. Eureka chicken.
Okay, Eureka chicken. So to the audience, Eureka chicken. If they want more, this.
That's beautiful.
All right, Lainey, you got to try yours first. Are you going to take it to the table?
I'll Yeah. take it.
Oh, you do want to try here
I'm
first?
gonna try
Yeah,
it first.
okay.
Let me try and be as polite as possible.
Just remember, it's going to be probably hot.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt my mouth, but it's worth it. I mean.
Scoot. What you got over there?
And there's a little extra dipping sauce if you like.
Like my dogs do.
It's really good.
How spicy? Cause
Not bad. You might
I'm
try a
fine with
little,
that.
but
yeah, still a little bit.
but good. I need some milk.
Take a little of the cucumber.
Yeah, that's it's gonna.
I can't.
There she goes for the milk.
It's so good, but like,
Ouch.
ouch. Yeah. So good. Oh my
So
god.
there's no ouch for you.
There's a little bit of ouch, but it's like
It's not really like killing ouch.
Are you nervous? I'm
No.
nervous.
It's not spicy.
Oh, that's real good.
oh, that would make a good like egg burrito.
So good.
Oh my gosh. I know what I'm making tomorrow morning.
So you have.
Oh, that's got some good kick to it.
Yeah?
Just a
Yeah.
little bit.
Not overbearing or anything like that.
Yeah, you should try some of that. Super good.
I love.
Good job, Lainey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Duck face?
So I think we had another successful
Meals.
meal, 2 meals today, and one with bumbu samawa,
One with bumbu kuning.
kuning,
Yeah.
and the other with bumbu
Merah.
merah with the little
red
spice.
seasoning, yeah. So the
So-
Bumbu Merah by Chef LANIE.
Yes. So thank you for watching,
Don't forget to subscribe,
share,
like.
and go on our website, Krakatoa. You made me laugh. Go on our website, KrakatoaCuisine.com. That's the restaurant website. You can order your food for dinner, but you can also order our seasonings if you would like to take them home and cook at home. Or you can go to 17,000 flavors.cooking and order your seasonings from
And,
there.
Yeah, we're gonna have another 4 more.
4
new
more
seasoning
seasonings
very
coming.
soon, yeah.
Yes, yes. So I want to thank everybody, to my family here, everybody, and for participating and enjoying your meals.
Yeah.
Oh
Yes. Thank you.
So thank you very much.
Yeah.
And
And don't forget,
don't forget,
17,000 flavors of Indonesia
make the world tastier.
That's fun.
That's